Last year, a man worked at the same company for 11 years. Every day, same desk, same computer, same routine. He thought he was safe. Promotions, good salary, stable life. Then one morning, he got called into a meeting. 15 minutes later, it was over. His job, gone. Not because he failed, not because he was lazy, but because a software program could now do his entire job in seconds, for almost zero cost. No salary, no vacation, no complaints, just code. And this is happening everywhere. Not someday, not in the future, right now. Writers replaced, designers replaced, editors replaced, accountants replaced, customer support replaced, even programmers. AI is learning everything faster than any human ever could. And if your entire income depends on one job, one boss, one company, you're more fragile than you think. Because all it takes is one update, one new tool, one algorithm, and you're out. No warning, no backup, no control. That's terrifying. But here's what's crazy. This is also the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. Because every time technology destroys jobs, it creates new wealth. When the internet started, people laughed at YouTubers. Now, they're millionaires. When smartphones appeared, people ignored apps. Now, small developers sell companies for billions. When crypto started, everyone said it was fake. Now, early adopters are free. And today, AI is that moment again. But most people are doing the same mistake. They're scared, complaining, waiting, while a small group is learning, building, adapting, and winning. Let me ask you something. If a machine can replace you, what does that really mean? It means your value is too common, too easy to copy, too replaceable. And that's not an insult, that's information. Because in this new world, average skills die, rare skills pay. If thousands of people can do what you do, your income stays small. If only a few people can do what you do, your income explodes. It's simple supply and demand. So instead of asking, how do I find a safer job? Start asking, how do I become rare? How do I become valuable? How do I build skills that the internet pays for? Because the internet doesn't care about your degree. It doesn't care about your resume. It only cares about results. Can you solve problems? Can you save time? Can you create attention? Can you help someone make money? If yes, you get paid. From anywhere. Your house, a cafe, another country. Just you, your brain, and a laptop. Think about how insane that is. 20 years ago, this was impossible. Today, it's normal. One person can run a business, edit videos, design graphics, sell products, automate tasks, and reach millions of people. Without employees, without investors, without permission. This is leverage, and leverage is how wealth is built. Not working more hours, but making each hour worth more. That's the shift. Stop trading time. Start building assets. Assets pay you back. Skills pay you back. Knowledge pays you back. Scrolling social media doesn't. Complaining doesn't. Waiting doesn't. Every hour you waste, someone else is learning, building, growing. And 5 years from now, that gap becomes massive. That's why some people feel stuck forever, and others move fast. They don't have more talent. They just decided earlier. Earlier to learn, earlier to adapt, earlier to take risks. So here's the truth nobody says out loud. AI will replace millions of people. but it will also create thousands of millionaires. The only difference is who moves first. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You don't need some crazy plan. Just start. Learn one skill. Practice every day. Build something small. Earn your first dollar online. Then 10. Then 100. Momentum changes everything. Confidence grows. Opportunities appear. And suddenly, you're not scared of the future anymore. You're excited for it. Because now, technology works for you, not against you. That's freedom. Real freedom. And that's exactly why this channel exists. Hole and Tunnel. To help you think differently, build smarter, earn online, and stay ahead while everyone else is distracted. If you want to grow, if you want real financial freedom, if you don't want to wake up one day replaced by a machine, subscribe. Because every video here is designed to upgrade your mindset and your income. And if you're ready to start faster, check the links below. Those are tools and resources to help you learn skills, build income, and move before the crowd. Don't wait until it's too late. The future is already here. The question is, will you watch it happen or build your place in it? The choice is yours.